Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and today we're making the next level salmon from Snoop Dogg's new cookbook, From Crooks to Cooks. So now we're gonna just season our salmon, salt and pepper. I'm gonna start with pepper because I like it because I can see it. A little cracked black pepper, a little salt. You can see the salt too. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna do this side. That skin want to come off a little bit on that one. You season both sides because some people eat the skin. That ain't really my thing, but I'm gonna season it just in case. I'm touching that. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna definitely clean it. Same thing here. Pepper. Boom. Now we come back with our sauce. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. And we're gonna coat each side in the mustard seasoning. I should be using gloves. Okay, and then we're gonna put it on our prepared sheet pan. Okay, so we're gonna take just the remaining sauce he said and kind of just put it over the top. We got the green beans, right? What he said do. So I took some garlic. He said we need 2 cloves. I sliced it thinly. So like super thin, right? And then what do? I got about a tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper, and so I'm just gonna drizzle it with the olive oil. Y'all, and I just do not really feel that well today, so forgive this low energy, but I still want to come in and do what must be done. So I'm gonna just kind of mix it in with that oil. Make sure it's all nice and coated. And we're gonna salt and pepper her. And I'm just put half of the garlic, apparently more than half, and toss it all in here. And this goes right on the sheet pan with the salmon. And my oven is preheating at 425, friends. And then we're gonna just transfer this to the sheet pan. And it goes into my preheated oven for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so it's done. I am going to taste it. I'm sure I'm gonna like this though. It smells good, it look good. Obviously I ain't gonna be eating 2 fillets, but oh, come on now, juicy. So, I put it on my nose. Y'all saw me? It's good. It's good. I like that mustardiness. It give it tang. The honey make it sweet. Which, side note, I also don't like honey. I don't know how I got like this, y'all. What I do eat and what I don't eat, man, that list is askew. I can't pick up the green beans. Garlic-ish. It's good. Okay. The big boss dog, yeah, he had to do that. This is good. So y'all go get the Snoop cookbook from what is it? From Crooks to Cooks? While I'm talking with my mouth full, don't even worry about that. It's good. Oh, I should rate it, huh? That's what this show is. So, Samantha rates this recipe. I'm gonna give him a 4 out of 5. Right? This is probably a common salmon thing. Oh shoot, where's the book? And now on Reading Rainbow, Samantha rates the recipe. Okay. I did want to read y'all, you know, in cookbooks, people have their little stories or whatever, but when I read this, I can completely hear his voice. And my first thought is to like put on, like in my brain, what LA sounds like, but I'm not going to do that. It says, Let's be honest. Apparently, I'm going to do that. These days, salmon ain't really that special. It becomes almost a little drowned out, don't you think? What used to be a real marker for, I was going to say maker, but marker. What used to be a real marker of some next level sophisticatedness just ain't really all that inspiring. So, when you're stuck with a fillet of that passe pescado, that's when you call in Uncle Snoopy to get you right. Just some honey mustard, and Just some honey mustard, and you're gonna blast off far above basic. I find that some greens usually set the whole meal off. Nah, not my usual green herbs, but a pan of some green beans. No more swimming upstream to make your dinner dance. Now, if you're going with the flow, Neff, ooh-wee. I know I didn't read that right, but I can hear his sounds, and I can see like his mannerisms and his hair like doing all of the Snoopy things, but with the do-rag. Anyway, this is a cute book. I like it a lot. And then they're like little sections where he has like cereals that I guess people eat when they have the munchies. Smoking ain't really my thing, but if you smoke, I imagine you know what cereal smokers be eating. Anyhow, y'all, this recipe gets a 4 from Samantha Ray's The Recipe for Taste. And I'm really going to give it a 5 for the ease of recipe. This was super easy and it was fast. This is a great meal for the week. You come home from work, you got to do something quick. You got to feed the fam. This is 4 salmon fillets, some green beans, boom, your people ready to go. So that's that. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I was kind of lowish energy. I don't really feel that well today, but that is no excuse. The bottom line is I'm glad you came, and you should have got that, top-notch energy from front to back. But you got it now, so I'm glad you're here. Anyhow, please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. What did I say? Share it with 10 people. That way 2 will 1 subscribe and hype me up. And I will catch y'all next time.